Right, I don't know if you can hear me. This is a bit loud with these fucking exhausts, but basically it's a Twintec Gen 6. And here's shows all the mixtures, the air fuel ratio, which is all well within, you know, it's basically remapping it. You can see here, completely remapping the bike as it goes. So when he's done about 30 miles, it will all be running okay. But the exhausts are pretty serious fucking exhausts. But yeah, it's simple. Yeah, basically plug this in, the data goes down here, back to the bike. And with it being wideband sensors, which are down here, they're wideband, it totally remaps the bike every time it fires. So your mixture, you ain't going to get better than that. That's what they use in the Bagger racing. So very, very good system. TCFI from Daytona Twintec. This is a Gen 6 because this bike's electric throttle, no cables, as you can see. So, if any Twintec stuff, it's about 01773 835 666, sales at customcruisers.com. Yeah, I'll get that as well. I'll get this. See it move on here. Do that. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. That, not one went in the red. That's perfect. It really is. That's basically it. So now his bike will be fully tuned all the time